Come get Zoe. Come get her. Come get Zoe. Go get Zoe. Oh, get the sweeper. Get Zoe. Come get her. Zoe, come out. Get her, Livy. Livy, turn your sweeper over so you can do it easier. Show her. There you go. Now push it. Get Zoe. Go. She's gonna pull you over. Well, tell Zoe to give it to you. Get the sweeper and go get Zoe. Hey, get the sweeper.